How to increase WhatsApp call volume on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you are on a WhatsApp call and now you want to increase the volume, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Before you can increase your WhatsApp call volume on your iPhone, the first thing you want to do here is you want to go to your iPhone settings, and then on the settings page, just scroll down, click on sounds and haptics. Now once you click on that, come here to change with button and make sure change with button is enabled. If change with button is disabled, you will not be able to increase your WhatsApp volume while you're on a video call or while you're on voice call. Then let's say you now have a voice call on your WhatsApp. You pick up the voice call just like this. Now you want to increase the WhatsApp voice call volume or video call volume. All you just need to do is locate the side button on your iPhone. So that is the volume up button and then the volume up down button. Then you can just use the volume up button to increase the volume of the WhatsApp video call or voice call, or use the down volume to reduce the volume of the WhatsApp voice or video call. So with either of these, you can adjust the volume of your WhatsApp, whether to increase it or to decrease it. But if the change with volume button is not enabled on your iPhone, you'll not be able to change or adjust the WhatsApp call volume on your device. So that is basically how to change or how to increase or decrease WhatsApp call volume in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.